election campaigns have to be entertaining? Is keeping up with the Karyakartas a show we need? In today's video, we will answer all these questions and unpack the business of political consultancies in India. After 2 years of creating content, I have learned a thing or two about how powerful the voice and judgment of the audience is. Media is democracy's fourth pillar. Its primary role is to speak truth to power. The role of media has changed. They no longer speak truth to power, they now manufacture the truth. Now, you think that's an offensive statement? Let me present a few facts around this. 103 crores was spent just between December to March on political ads according to one Meta and Google estimate. From 2019 to 2023, BJP alone spent 33 crores, which is 10% of all the money that advertisers spend to run Facebook ads in India. But are politicians running these ads? Are politicians deciding which influencer to partner with or which podcast to appear on? With data sourced from Google Ads Transparency Center, it turns out that it's political consultancies that are among the top 2 spenders. So I started digging into political consultancies in India, and did you know it's an industry worth 2,500 crores? This got me intrigued. What does a political consultancy even do? Why is their work not discussed publicly? And can political consultants swing elections? How do they even have so much sway? And should we as citizens be concerned about its impact on a democracy and how they've cracked the art and science of election campaigns? Now, what does a political consultancy do? They monetize political chaos. Let's look at how they do it by understanding it from a business perspective. You recall this guy from Trivago? So the more consistently a brand creates an association between the product and an emotion the consumer feels, the more consumers trust the brand. That got me thinking. Businesses are selling products through their branding. But what does politics sell through branding? Well, politics sell trust through branding.